Starting a YouTube channel for my small business is one of the best things I ever did, and I didn't even realize the power of YouTube when I actually first started on YouTube. Basically, if you have a small business or if you're an entrepreneur or even if you're a solo entrepreneur and do coaching and consulting, YouTube has two big benefits that no other platform out there has. One is it could actually work as a marketing machine and create leads and customers for you organically and for free. What's even better is I've compared paid traffics to the leads I get from YouTube, and they just convert to sales and to customers way easier because they're kind of a warm and hot traffic because they've already seen your content, they're already familiar with your brand as a small business. But the other thing that it could do that no other platform could do is you could create another revenue machine for your business that is actually not tied to doing any type of service work, right? I make money through my YouTube channels through not only what YouTube pays you, but you could join affiliate programs and get money that way. You could do sponsorships and then getting clients, which is the reason why we would start a YouTube channel as a small business owner, is all in addition to all these other benefits. So I love YouTube for that reason. And I wanted to make this video to show you exactly how to start and grow a YouTube channel as a business owner or as an entrepreneur. The very first step when creating a YouTube channel is knowing who your target audience for that channel is. And typically, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur, you already know this answer. You know the ideal client you want to have for your business. So when you know that, you would create a YouTube channel with that specific target in mind. So every video we make after this point forward when starting a channel is going to tailor to that target audience. Once you have that target audience in mind, that basically creates a niche for your channel. And then the next step is we want to create educational content for that audience. That's the very first type of content a YouTube channel should create when the channel is created for a small business or an entrepreneur. So knowing what your ideal clients are looking for, you create videos answering specific questions to those specific problems. Okay, so for example, let's say I had a marketing agency and that was my business. Well, what kind of things are people looking at? Other small business owners may be looking at getting clients. So you would create content, free educational content, teaching people how to get clients through marketing. And you don't actually have to pitch your services here. You're just going to offer value for free. The services are going to come in at the end of the video, typically through a call to action for the people watching that video if they want more help to work with you. But in the beginning, for the first few dozen videos, it's all about giving value for free for that specific target audience. I'll show you one of my favorite tools here actually to figure out what type of content to make for your channel. It's called Tubebuddy, and I'll put a link below in the description, and once you download it, it's just a Chrome extension here. And I'm gonna go to Keyword Explorer, and they do have a free version, but if you're doing this for your business, I recommend the upgraded version that gives you a ton of keywords. So marketing for small business, right? That's what our marketing company does. So we're looking to see what type of video we should make around that. So marketing for small business ideas, social media marketing for small business, digital marketing. So these are basically where you could get ideas from, and email marketing, for example. I'll click it and it'll give me other related topics. And this is just for YouTube, but sometimes YouTube videos show up in Google, so you could see more other ideas here. You could see video topics as well. So just like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just around email marketing, I just got 6 different ideas that I can make videos about. So I would just write this in a list, go back through my search here, search a bunch of ideas, and I could literally in course of an hour have 200 video topics that I can make videos about using this platform, Tubebuddy. So pretty straightforward so far, right? The type of customer that you want for your business, you're going to make educational free content on YouTube, educating them about your product and services, but not pitching them just yet. You're going to just create educational content using Tubebuddy as a way to get video ideas. Then the next step is typically, because if you make videos that are how-to based or what I call evergreen, right? They could have a long shelf life, like how to do email marketing for a small business. People have been doing that for 20 years, right? So that's going to possibly be on YouTube 10 years from now and still useful. So what I like to do at the end of each video is give a call to action. So If you want to learn more, I created this checklist for you. Some kind of a lead magnet, or sometimes I have a free training that I've created a video about, or something where they could watch and learn even more about what you talked about in this video that is hosted on your website, a landing page on your website, for example. And then through that, you could basically start to turn that person that took value from your free content into a potential client. So that's the next step, the call to action, typically at the end of the video, but not in every single video. You could do this once every few videos, and you kind of build yourself an audience this way that is coming to you for that specific type of content. These are your warm leads that are gonna become clients later on if you approach this in this step-by-step way. And the last step I typically do with my YouTube channel is, as I make this educational content, I like to interact with some of my channels with my audience to see what kind of other questions they have. And then I could add those to my products and services, but I could also add those to my upcoming videos to help them a little bit with specific questions. That's how you really build a community that is beyond just making YouTube content from using search. You really are now answering people's specific questions with your upcoming videos. So make sure you follow this step by step. And just like the example I'm showing you, I do also have personally a full training on how to use YouTube for business, which I walk you through all these. And I also show you how I was able to use YouTube to generate income that wasn't tied directly to my business as a bonus. So with YouTube, what YouTube pays you for views and sponsorships and affiliates, plus the lead generation, YouTube really becomes something that is super powerful for any small business, and I recommend everyone that has a business to pursue it. So I'll put that link below. That's an hour training and it's completely free. So I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.